Hello everyone, this is Komal. So today we are going to discuss the topic of landform, chapter number 2 for class 6th geography. So this chapter starts with the definition of landform, but before that they were given the definition of tectonic activity, how the earth forms landforms due to the tectonic activities and tension, compression and heat. So here is the first point. Earth is a combination of different landforms. As you know that we are having different kinds of landforms. Landforms, the area which is carrying plateaus, mountains, hills, deserts, all are formed due to natural activities, compression, tension and heat. Then Earth's land mass to be high at some places and low at other places. Greenery at one place and a dry and barren land in another place. This is the second point for your perspective, that Earth has a different kind of landmass. Somewhere it is high, somewhere it is very low. So because of this, you can say that ki Earth is an uneven land structure. Lithosphere means the solid outer part of the earth which changes due to the tectonic activity. Lithosphere means the outer part, the upper part of earth crust which changes due to tectonic activity. And what is tectonic activity? It is the interaction of huge slabs of lithosphere called tectonic plates. There are some tectonic plates present in Earth's crust which are moved, which are having movement, and after their because of their movement or interaction with each other, the tectonic activity happen, and after that the changes happen on Earth's surface, and after that the formation of landforms. Most tectonic activities takes place at the boundaries of these plates, where they may collide, tear apart or slide against each other. They are colliding on each other, tearing apart, or some kind of cracks happen on them, then sliding against each other, and this movement of tectonic plates is made possible by the thermal energy. Due to heat, this tectonic activity happen on Earth's surface, and the heat present from the mantle area, the second layer of Earth's crust. Then, what are landforms? Basically, a landform is a natural feature on Earth's surface, and there are some kind of formation of landforms. These are the basic landforms. First one, mountains, valleys, plains, plateaus, deserts and islands. We will discuss all these parts later on in this chapter. Then landforms are formed due to the natural processes such as erosion and deposition. These kind of landforms are formed after tectonic activity. These processes happen naturally: erosion and deposition. Deposition, the change of place from one place to another, that is the deposition. Erosion, that is the soil erosion, soil movement. Now there are two types of Earth's movement which are responsible for the changes, like endogenic process and exogenic process. Two types of process. What are these? Endogenic process, the movement taking place inside the earth. Inside the earth, that means inside crust or mantle part. Exogenic process, the movement taking place on the surface of the earth, on the upper part of the earth. Now, endogenic process, there are two parts in endogenic process: sudden forces and slow forces. In two parts it happens. Sudden forces like earthquake, volcano, landslide, these kinds of these kinds of natural activities happen suddenly in endogenic process inside the earth. Then slow forces like building mountains. Mountains, they are building in a slow form. Years and years are passing when the building of mountains happen. Now, exogenic process. In exogenic process, erosional and depositional forms are included, like river formation, wind, sea waves, glaciers. Now, the next point in this part is the faulting. What is faulting? Due to tension and compressive forces of Earth's surface, cracks occur in rock bed is defined as the fault. Fault, it is a fracture in Earth's crust. You can see that some kind of cracks happen on Earth's crust that are called fault, and those cracks happen due to tension and compression on the Earth's surface. I hope you understand this part of chapter number 2. If you will get any query, you can ask me through comment section. We will discuss the mountains and valleys in the next video. Thank you.